That didn't sound good.
Push it back out.
I'm broken.
Okay, this is your new mower. Keep your hands in the vehicle at all times. There's a fuel level here. That's in case emergency there. You put there. That's park brake there and there.
What?
Just raise the neck.
It's like he's trying to speak to me. I know it. You know, you're really cute, but I don't know what you're saying.
I need a step stool for the front.
I was sitting there thinking the seat's too far forward because the handles are so close to me, but I was like, I'll leave them like that because it'll be good for her. But
Like riding a seat stool.
all right, in order to start it, you got to make sure that the emergency brake's on. You got to make sure your sticks are out of the way. Push them out. There you go. Yep. Make sure your blade's turned off, which it is. The yellow button down. Yep, blades are off. Now you can start it. Look at there, go. Oh no.
That didn't sound good.
Push it back out.
I'm broken.
Push them back out.
Okay.
Start it.
Start it.
Turn your emergency brake off. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Y'all give her 20 minutes. She'll be out here NASCAR in that thing just like she did on a riding mower. Yeah. Whatever you want to mow, pull that yellow button. Yeah, and it'll turn the blades on. Yeah. We got the lower end model, so it doesn't have any suspension or a suspension seat. We may just look at buying a suspension seat. We're like, where are we going? Come here, Colossus. You can't wave there, keep driving. This girl loves mowing. Anything outside. She'd rather be outside doing stuff than in the house doing typical stuff. So I was like, I want to ride. That girl didn't even change out of her work clothes. She just went straight to mowing. She's more excited about getting that mower than me. Is it they say, happy wife, happy life? It's a happy girl right there.
That was fun.
You like it?
That was bumpy.
Yeah, it doesn't have any.
Like this.
That's the downside of getting the lower model is it doesn't have any suspension or suspension seat.
That's alright.
But we can look online and maybe get a suspension seat for it and maybe put some bigger tires on it.
I like it though. It's easy to steer and it's comfortable.
Yeah, yeah.
And I can do it with one hand.
Yep, you'll be out here running that thing 60 miles per hour here soon.
Maybe.
Just like the riding mower. Sound like NASCAR.
That just won't let you catch me doing something.
You happy?
Uh-huh.
You like it?
I like it.
All right.
You need to go hook the
Trailer?
bucket up to it.
Oh, I had to order a hitch for it.
Oh.
I thought it would have one on there, but I got it on the way to be here Wednesday.
We country people. We country folk now.
Just this field needs some serious work. And whatever that crap is picked up.
Will it mow that one?
That out there? I'm sure it would, but it'd probably shorten the life of the mower quite a bit.
Yeah. Well, it's all dry. Might be a lot easier.
Yeah, and no telling what's out there. That's the problem. You hit a rock in that thing. Just until we get used to it, don't do the hills because there's no suspension on it, so it get on 3 wheels and it doesn't have any give or lean.
I'll take the push mower to that.
The smaller mowers are just meant for like acre, 2 acre lot. They're not meant for hardcore stuff, but
It'll help keep us down so keep the bugs down.
yep.
Schneckers and
You happy? Good.
I'm gonna have that something.
All right.